sour punch ice cream. I'm sick as What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to ShlideTv, and I got another banger for you guys. I only drop nothing but bangers for my Slide gang, you know what I'm saying? If you are Slide gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join. We drop bangers like this every week. And basically, in this video, what we would act like we were doing, we act like we were sneezing silly string on strangers, man. You know what I'm saying? Because you know it's the cold season, you know what I'm saying? People getting their jackets on, you know? And this is a time where people get sick, so you know what I'm saying? We just act like we were sneezing silly string on strangers. We got some pretty good reactions. Make sure you guys stay and watch the full video. Make sure you guys share this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all of those good things, man. And I would like to give a big shout out to I Am Clarence CLE. I'm gonna link his channel in my description. Basically, we got this idea from him. All the credit goes to him, man. No cap. All right, you guys, and I'm not gonna hold you guys up. Let's go ahead and get into this banger video. No rap cap. Hey, man, as you can see, we made our way to the city. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. What we finna do, Mike?
We about to sneeze on these folks with some silly string. You ain't gonna know how to act.
I'm out violent. I'm out. Let's see what kind of reactions we get in the city, man. In the A, man. No cap. Yeah. Press the J. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Oh shit! Oh shit! You guys, and we just got kicked out of Target. As you see, I got the slime green. It goes with the sneezing effect that we were trying to get away with. That silly string broke for some unknown reason. But yeah, we just got kicked out of Target. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got kicked out of Target. We just bought this. They was following us out of the store. So let's continue with the sneezing madness. Let's get it. They got sour punch ice cream. Ew, they got sour punch ice cream. That's nasty. They go blow your nose. Are you nasty, bro? I gotta blow my nose. I gotta blow my nose. I'm sick as fuck.
What did he have on?
Huh?
I said, what did he have on?
I don't know if they had a black jacket on.
I don't know what. I was looking at purse for my mom.
Huh?
I said, I was looking at purse for my mom.
Yeah, you walk past, you do stuff like that. What you gotta see? I know about see.
Alright, you guys, we got a little bonus for y'all. Hold up. Yeah, you outside? Oh, yeah, I'm on the way to the car right now. You outside? Which side? You are the movie side or? Okay, I'm on the way. All right, you guys, I got Jamal on the phone. I'm currently in a hot pursuit. The dude that I just sprayed, he's currently chasing me. He's not gonna catch me though, cause you know, my name ain't ShlideTv for no reason. We slide. Look at these. Look at me, I'm sliding. He's around the mall. Hey, where you at, Jamal? Jamal, where's he at? Is he walking like fast? Like, what is he trying to do to me? Is he trying to hurt me? Like, what do you think he's trying to do to me? I gotta go back and get that shirt though, Jamal. Hey, so you're gonna have to be like my GPS. I got 12 right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put up this camera, yeah. Hey, I'm gonna stay on the phone.
Michelle, you have a call customer 102, please. Michelle 102. There is a call waiting for the floral department on 101. There's a frozen truck in the
I gotta go. This tissue. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe. We're dropping bangers like this every week, you know what I'm saying? The Slide Gang, we coming strong, you know what I'm saying? I got it on the shirt. Actually, I forgot I got the Slide Man on the shirt. But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, man. Share this video with everyone you know. And shout out to I Am Clarence CLE. Once again, his channel is in my description. And with all that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I'll see you guys in this video. Let's get it.